Quick tip on removing a rearview mirror on a S-Class Mercedes. This is an S500 W220. Mirror looks like this. It's got a cover back there, rain sensor on the glass. Basically, I'm going to take it off to show you what I did. It's got a bracket, spring-loaded bracket with two ends that look like ball bearings, and it sits inside a rectangular bracket, basically just by these two bearings. Tuck the wires in, just like that. So what you do, grab the mirror part, two hands, and you're pulling one side down whilst just supporting it with the other side. Just like that. You have to put it back up. Don't be afraid to kind of yank on it, but make sure you're supporting it on both sides, so you're not pulling one side down too far without supporting the other one, so you don't rip anything out.